Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we got another cat item to use in the house. It's a cat scratcher. It's supposed to be a heavy duty one. It's pretty heavy. I felt it. It weighs a lot. That's how tall it is, so you can compare it to the refrigerator. Honestly, it's almost up to where you get water, so you can see, and it's almost as tall as a counter in your kitchen. So that's how tall it is, so now you can compare it at least right there. So we're going to put this thing together real quick, and you're just going to see what it looks like, and this is just a little put together review of it, and see how quick it is, see how it looks, and you can get an idea of what you're buying. All right, let's do this. This is the name brand of it right here. It's called Frisco. Frisco Cat Scratching Post. So that's the name of it. That's what it looks like, so you guys can have an idea. Now, they do give you a little tool to put this thing together, but I don't use the tool because it takes too long and my fingers start to hurt after 1 or 2 screws. And there's, usually with these, there's like 10 screws, and I'm not going to play with it with this, and the video would be forever anyway, so it doesn't matter. So the washers go on just like this. It's pretty simple. The washers slide on just like that. You have 4 bolts, as you can see right here. So we're going to put these 4 bolts in, screw them in however they go in somehow. We're going to look how to do this. Alright, so we got this off of Chewy. That's a review of me putting it together, seeing how tall it is, seeing what it looks like. It feels pretty heavy. I think it's going to be good for a cat, so he should be good. So that's just a little review of that. Alright, so if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I put up reviews of other stuff that we get around the house to help you guys out on what you're going to buy or whatever. And that's it. So everyone be safe. Enjoy. Bye-bye.